here is a quick tip for new YouTubers that if you're finding it difficult to edit videos, especially on CapCut. I'm always having challenges here on CapCut. So look at my what they call this track. I think it's called a track. I have a lot of stuff on it, a lot. But you notice one thing, you can see there's this white line right here, and you'll be wondering, what is this? This is a lock reel. So before, when I started YouTube, I didn't know anything about editing, starting from scratch, starting as a novice. So like they say, practice makes perfect. So while I was practicing, there are some things I've noticed and learned on my own. Even though I've searched for solutions on YouTube, I didn't really see it, or maybe I didn't know how to search for it to get the video to come out. I finally found out. So if you are editing and you have a lot of files on your track like this, look at the video. So the videos, the captions, and there are so much. When you add some do your voiceovers, these are my voiceover and these are my soundtrack. I also learned how to use keyframes. Yep, I learned how to use keyframes on my own. So now this is how you prevent your work from getting mixed up. Like when you close, there are sometimes the app lag. CapCut lags a lot, and when it lags, sometimes it just mess up the line, just pile up everything. If you see on my previous video on my channel, you see some of my videos are like disorganized, but I swear I organized them properly on my reels. But before I knew about this hack, I didn't know. So any little mistake or lagging, these things arranged properly will just shift to different side and my videos will be a mess. So this is how you prevent it. So when you're editing and you have a lot of stuff like this, and you've started adding stuff on your track, or whatever this thing is called, I think it's called a track, then you can now lock it. Like you see here, it's locked. So if I unlock here, if I unlock it, unlock track, you see? So this is how you prevent your work from getting overloaded or jam-packed, messed up. So you lock the rails when you're done with it, and you unlock when you want to adjust or edit something or delete something. So you lock and unlock. So it prevents your work from getting jam-packed, messed up, jumping from one track to another. And this has saved me a lot of time. I am so glad I discovered this. It's been long overdue. And currently I am editing my July recap, episode 4. I know it's taking so long. So currently I'm on my page and I'm going to show you the mistake I used to make when I didn't know this CapCut trick. There was one of my video, this one here, this one. So after I finished editing it, I didn't lock the rails, and then I saved the video. I think it was this one. Yeah, see, it went upside down, and I never set this video like this. It was normal on the CapCut reels, on the CapCut track, but then I noticed that it was upside down and I've already uploaded it. I didn't know what to do. So that was one of the issues I was facing. And there were some things like you see the captions and everything was messed up. So that is a total novice for you. There's so much errors in my previous videos, and I'm not saying I'm the best right now, but I'm definitely learning from scratch. So yeah, like this video, even this one, you can see the audio is very bad. The audio is very bad. I didn't even know until when I posted it, and there was nothing I could do. Just hear how the audio sound.
Hey everyone.
Can you imagine? This is so embarrassing.
Day in my journey.
It's just going so weird. Please. This is why I haven't posted a lot of videos, because I need to learn editing and I don't want my videos to be looking like too bad. I know I'm just starting. Even this one, there was error where I was doing with my cat. I didn't know how to cover the background or blur the background because I didn't want the background to show. And this is my first video. Jeez, this is the most embarrassing one. I think I had to put it on private. It's not on, let me see. I think it's on private. Yeah, oh, it's public. I should put it on private. It's really embarrassing. Like, just look at it. I cannot even watch this video. I can't.
Hey there, welcome.
Jeez. I didn't even edit it properly, and I even look finer in real life. Like the camera just made me look so ugly because of my terrible light setting and everything. Hi, Jesus Christ. I think I'm going to delete this video. I don't want it on my YouTube. I feel so embarrassed. Anyway, so that's the tricks I've learned on CapCut, and I would like to show you guys so that you can learn too. If you're just upcoming, I don't know anything about editing. If you want to know more, you can leave a comment below, and I would definitely put more tips out there. So that's all for today. It's taking so long. Editing is not easy for me, seriously, and I have other things to do. So yeah, it's almost December. It's already December and I'm still editing July recap. See, I have a lot of work to do. So this is how you prevent your work on CapCut to get not to get mixed up, your track, not to have your line messed up and your videos disorganized. Yeah, so that's the tip for today. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy my community. I have only 60 subscribers right now, but I would be so happy if you would subscribe and support. Thank you very much. And I'm almost done with my July recap, and today's date is today is what? Today is 10th of December. So probably tomorrow I'll be done with all the edits. I'm almost done with this one, and I'll put it out on my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching, and bye.